always looking to try to help out those that are in need, but also blah 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 dee ba da. No. All right, well, we're out on the trail again, but I wanted to show you real quickly. Usually when you're out in the middle of nowhere, there's no signal, but if you had to, you can go right here, let it charge, use it. But if you're not using it anymore, just go ahead and put it away. And then when you're using your rugged radio, I use it right here on the side and clip it in. But I also have this little handset right here, so if I wanted to, I can use what's already here from ProClip, use a clip on the back, just slide it right in. It's a nice little hands-free area. I can know exactly where it's at, I can grab it, and I don't have to hold the button and all that kind of stuff. So it's just a nice little quick tidbit or tip that we found just by driving, like, oh, well, look at that. It's already there. Probably not designed for that, but it works great. There's not any extra weight on it, no big deal. So if you're out on the trail, not using this on the mount, why not just clip it, forget it, and then when you're done, you just remove these two and plug in your phone. So again, that's from jeepsroc. We always like to see you guys out on the trail. Thanks for watching. Hit that little subscribe button and that little bell, and we'd be glad to have you on our journeys.